Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Slate Pool Table is probably one of the most sought-after pieces of game room furniture, offering a perfect blend of classic style and high-quality gameplay. This video will delve into a comprehensive review of the 7-foot Slate Pool Table, exploring its features, construction, playing experience, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right addition to your home. Number 5. GLD Fat Cat Reno 7.5-foot Pool Table. Get ready to experience the ultimate in pool playing with this stunning table. Its rich dark cherry finish and wine-colored cloth create a luxurious feel. It features an HOG billiard surface, engineered for consistent, straight shots every time. This surface is covered by a burgundy wool cloth and is built to last. This beauty boasts K66 rubber bumpers, 6 rails with white diamond inlays, and sturdy beveled legs. It's built for stability and style. The French-style drop pockets add a touch of classic elegance. Notice the beautiful maple wood veneer and cherry finish. Hidden leveling pads on the feet make it easy to adjust for uneven surfaces, ensuring a fair game every time. It comes complete with everything you need to start playing: cues, balls, brush, triangle, and chalk. Enjoy hours of fun. We're so confident in the quality of the playing surface that it comes with a 7-year warranty. Play with peace of mind. What we like. It provides a consistent playing experience thanks to its superior playing surface. Its sturdy build ensures stability, perfect for serious players. If you value a long-lasting, high-quality table with a classic design, this is the one for you. What people say. The instructions were very clear and easy to follow. And the organization of the parts was fantastic. It is heavy and it is a super solid table. Easy to assemble, note, easy not quick, comes with good quality balls, brush etc. Assembly was probably the most straightforward thing I've put together, with very easy step-by-step instructions. Took roughly 2 hours from start to finish with 2 people. Leveling is a breeze, with a 4-foot level took about 5 minutes. Number 4. Fat Cat Frisco 7.5-foot Pool Table. It's the perfect size for players of all ages, easily fitting into any game room. Get ready for hours of fun. Enjoy a perfectly level playing surface, no matter the floor. It's easy to set up and adjust for optimal gameplay. This lightweight and affordable surface is designed for years of consistent play. It's also backed by a 7-year warranty for your peace of mind. With 6 wide and 1.5 thick solid wood rails and K66 rubber bumpers, it offers responsive play for years to come. They're built to last. It comes complete with 2 cues, chalk, a triangle, brush, and a set of billiard balls. Everything you need is included for immediate gameplay. What we like. This table is easy to set up and move, making it perfect for smaller spaces or those who like to rearrange their furniture. The level playing surface ensures fair play, even on uneven floors. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option without sacrificing quality, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This pool table is amazing for the price. Me and my husband put it together no problem. It's heavy, but nowhere near as heavy and tricky as Slate pool tables. Setup was fairly easy once I downloaded and printed the instructions. Very good instructions with solutions to help level if needed. Put it all together and played first game 5 hours after I started. Recommend 2 people to rotate the base, 3 people to set the top. Table plays well for the price. Leveling was spot on, no whims were needed. Table played well. No ball wobble. No issues with the top straight and square. It took me less than 2 hours to put together in my basement. It was not hard to put together and was surprisingly good quality. The hardest part was getting it level for the balls to roll correctly due to the incline on my basement floor. Number 3. HOG Billiard Table. Get ready for hours of fun with our stylish and durable billiard table. It's perfect for family game nights and friendly competitions. This 7-foot table features a regulation-size playfield, just like you'd find in many pool halls. It comes partially assembled for your convenience. It boasts a high-quality construction with MDF and PVC laminated rails and apron. The playing surface is made of durable engineered wood for lasting performance. Enjoy a smooth ball roll thanks to the premium 50% wool felt blend cloth and K818 rubber bumpers. The included 2.25-inch pool balls complete the set. The sturdy MDF legs with metal crossbars provide excellent stability. Adjustable levelers ensure a perfectly flat playing surface every time. The mainframe comes pre-assembled, simplifying setup. You'll need a 16.5 foot by 13.5 foot room to comfortably play. What we like. It comes partially pre-assembled, saving you time and effort during setup. The durable construction ensures it can withstand regular use. If you want a hassle-free setup and everything you need to start playing right away, this is the table for you. What people say. Table goes together easily and quickly, 1 hour with help, hardware and legs are excellent quality. The Charleston mini table was easy for me to set up with no assistance. It has the look of a full-size table, but is the perfect size for my small apartment. This isn't a 1 or 2 man job, it took 4 people to put this together as it's really heavy and made well. My dad is a pool shark and was impressed by the table. As you can't tell, it's not slate, it's heavy. We have had it for almost a week, plays well and looks amazing. Number 2. Rack Draco 7-foot pool table. Get ready to elevate your game with the Rack Draco. This 7-foot tournament quality table is built for serious players. It boasts impressive dimensions of 84 inches long, 48 inches wide, and 32 inches high. This ensures ample playing space for a challenging game. Weighing in at 282 pounds, it's incredibly sturdy and stable. You'll experience a rock-solid playing surface every time. 6 adjustable leg levelers guarantee a perfectly flat playing surface, eliminating any unwanted ball behavior. Enjoy consistent gameplay. It's built with the renowned Rack brand quality you expect. Experience the difference of a superior pool table. Have questions? Contact us toll-free at 1-866-334-RACK, 7225, or via email at support@rackpooltables.com. We're here to help. What we like. This table is incredibly sturdy and stable, built to withstand intense gameplay. Its robust construction makes it perfect for competitive play. If you're a serious player who demands the best, this table is for you. What people say. It took 3 of us to get it into the house, but once we did, it was put together and flipped within a half hour. Once you level it properly, it plays great. The cues it comes with are pretty high quality and the triangle is sturdy wood. Setup was super easy too. Ready to play in about 20 minutes. Number 1. Playcraft Monaco Pool Table. Get ready to experience the ultimate in game room elegance. This stunning pool table combines style and functionality, perfect for any home. It boasts a premium 3-piece slate system, ensuring a flawlessly level playing surface every time. Each piece is honed to exacting standards for superior gameplay. The Monaco's contemporary design and black-on-silver finish will turn heads. It's a statement piece that elevates any space. It seamlessly transforms from a high-end pool table to a stylish dining table with its included dining top. Enjoy the best of both worlds. Personalize it with your choice of 25 cloth colors to perfectly match your game room's aesthetic. Make it truly your own. While professional installation is recommended, it's designed for a straightforward setup. The leveling hardware makes fine adjustments simple. What we like. It features a high-quality slate bed for superior gameplay and can be converted into a dining table. You can also choose from a wide variety of cloth colors to personalize your table. If you are looking for a versatile table that can serve multiple purposes, this is the perfect option. What people say. Style, function, quality. It is so much better than you would expect. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.